We'll guide you through how to make an Instagram story with multiple photos. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super useful to do, as otherwise you have to go and put them across multiple different slides. So to go and get started, come to the bottom of Instagram, go and click on the plus button, then come to the bottom again and select story. So what you can do is you can go and take a photo that you want to go and use now, or you can just go and open up your camera roll or gallery by clicking on it in the bottom left. Choose the first photo you want to go and use. Here it is. Change the position if you want to. Then to go and add more, click on the stickers button at the top, and you can then go and choose a photo. You can search for it if you're struggling to find it, but for me it's in the top left. And you can go and choose another image you want to add. I'll add this one, and you can just go and keep repeating that. You can tap on it for more, by the way. And then you can go and add another, and you go and get the idea. You can just keep on adding more. And then when you're done, click on your story. Of course, you can add more things as well.